Welcome back to VettePros here in Charlotte, North Carolina. What we have here today is a 2008 C6 Corvette LS3 engine for sale. Go ahead and start it up here. This engine starts right up. Oil pressure right at 40 psi. This engine has 72,445 miles on it. This is the 430 horsepower LS3 engine. It's currently mated up to an automatic transmission. This engine is in top shape with no knocks or ticks or leaks. Go ahead and rev it up. It's an 08 C6 Corvette. Has the factory NPP exhaust on it. This engine will make a great replacement for your Corvette or an excellent starting point for your hot rod or project car. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 704-320-0073. And thanks for looking.